you very much. You may take your seat. Here to deliver her introductory message, Code NGO, Miss Andrea Maria Patricia Sarenas.
That you will become, if you accepted the cry or you accepted the challenge to become president, that you would be a president who will listen, who will do everything in your power to foster peace.
Thank you, Pat. Our great and honor to present our commitment to the Code of Conduct for the Development NGOs.
Sa ating administrasyon, isa kayong matibay na haligi ng mabuting pamamahala. Sa lakas po ng palakpak nyo. Sa masusi niyang pagpapatupad sa programa, abot kamay ang ating pangarap para sa mas nakakarami. At tunay tayong nakakatugon sa pangangailangan ng bayan. Tanggapan, bukas.